Good day, colleagues. Today, we will get acquainted with the dKart Office Inspector software, which is used for testing electronic navigational charts. This is an important tool in the arsenal of professionals working with ENC to ensure their compliance with international standards. dKart Inspector is developed and maintained by the Finnish company GeoPhone Group International, and it has long established itself as a reliable solution for quality control of electronic navigational charts. Its primary purpose is to test EN and ER files of ENC for compliance with the S57 specification, following the validation rules defined in S58. As a result of the check, a detailed report is generated, suitable for documentation and further analysis. But the functionality of the program doesn't stop there. Inspector is not just a validator, it's a full-fledged analytical tool. It allows users to automatically locate the position of errors on the chart, significantly saving time during analysis. Access detailed information for each test and detected error with quick links to descriptions via the web. Load multiple charts, both current and adjoining, for visual inspection of data consistency between scale layers and neighboring charts. Apply updates step by step with individual verification of each correction. Additionally, the software provides several auxiliary features, such as creating exchange sets, printing information in a convenient format, querying chart objects, displaying a cartographic backdrop layer, loading reports from third-party ENC validation tools, generating a 3D model of the seabed for the current chart area. Finally, it is worth noting that Inspector supports testing of inland ENC in accordance with IEHG recommendations, making it a versatile tool for both marine and inland navigation.